CapCut is the best editing software for beginners, but not only, in 2024. In this video, you're gonna see how to edit amazing content for YouTube, for your social media, and maybe even for commercials. Let's dive in. Alright, so to set the stage, we're gonna see how I edited this video you're seeing right now. This is broken tempered glass. Do you like it broken? Or not? Write in the comments. Now, let me show you how easy it is to edit in CapCut. Trust me, it's not that complicated and you can do it. Let me show you. First you open CapCut. We have it here. You click New Project. Now, let's start editing. You transferred your footage to the computer, maybe from your phone or your camera. Make sure you have everything in one folder. You drag it into the media pool and you select the footage and drag it onto the timeline. It's only one way. This is the first step that it's very important to do. I'm gonna tell you later why. But you go up here where you see these random numbers. You name your project. We'll call this editing tutorial. I'll try to make this editing process really easy and fast so anyone can do it, no matter the skill level you are at. But please, let us know in the comments if you have any questions. You could just upload your videos directly from your phone to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, but it would be more efficient if we fine-tune it just a little bit. Watch until the end and you'll see how easy it is. I'm gonna show you now a really helpful shortcut for your speed editing. Let's go up here to shortcut menu. The split shortcut is with 2 letters. I'm gonna delete this, continue editing. I'm gonna press E on the keyboard and now click save. This will help us later. First thing, we're gonna adjust the colors and the brightness. Brighter videos tend to look better on the social media, so people will watch them again and again. Let's go up here to the video tab. You go to adjustment tab. We're gonna make sure the clip is selected and we're gonna drag the temperature a little bit more to the blue side. We're gonna go down to brightness, just a little bit. We're gonna bring highlights down and shadows up. Before and after. Big difference, right? Now let's trim the parts that are really not necessary. We want to bring the best part to the beginning of the video. We're gonna press Q and delete everything that's on the left. The part where he gets up, I'm gonna delete it. Make a cut here. I press E and about here, I'm gonna press Q and delete everything that's on the left. I press E. I press E because I want this part where he touches the glass. I press E. I'm gonna press W and delete everything that's on the right. Okay, let's watch it from the beginning. He laughs. He touches the glass. Everything is safe. That's the basic editing. Now, let's make it more interesting. Copy this part and paste it to the end. We're gonna make it in reverse so the video is loopable. Right click, edit, reverse. Now let's do something even more interesting. You press Option on the keyboard and you drag it up. Make sure one clip has the audio dragged down. With the top clip selected, you go here in the video tab to this menu, Cut Out. We are gonna click here and select the solid stroke. He did it automatically. We're gonna bring the size all the way down. And now let's animate this. We're gonna go to Basic. You make sure you're on the first frame of the clip and you press here. Now you have a keyframe to the scale, position and rotation. We're gonna go about here after the middle of the clip and we're gonna scale up, we're gonna make it really big. A rotation like so. It brings a dramatic effect, right? I don't think we need this clip anymore, so I'm gonna delete it. Let's make this transition even more interesting. We go up here in the top left, we have effects, light effect. You drag it on top. Next, we can add some music. I have a song picked out. For music inspiration, we use Artlist. You can see the link in the description. You can use the same shortcuts for music as you did for video. I'm gonna press Q and delete everything that's on the left. A little fade out here and bring the music just a little bit lower. This video is finished, but you can take it a step forward and add a little voiceover. You don't need to use a microphone, you can use just your phone. I'm gonna show you how. You open the camera app and you start recording. This is broken tempered glass. Do you like it broken or not? Write in the comments. I'm gonna transfer it to the computer. You drag the file to the media pool, drag it in the timeline. You extract the audio. You can delete the video. I'm gonna hit Q to delete everything that's on the left. I'm gonna bring the audio right here. Maybe the music is too loud. I'm gonna lower the volume. Now that we added the voiceover, I'm gonna put captions over. You go here to the text tab. You have here auto captions. First one, it's English, but you can scroll all the way down. See? Many languages. We're gonna set to English and create. You can adjust the caption text in the captions tab over here. You can choose the style of the captions in the next tab. Make sure the text is in the right position so the different platforms you upload the video to doesn't interfere. It should not be near the edges where everything else is. The best place for the caption is not down here, it's not up, it's below the center, just a little bit. You can choose the animations over to the next tab. You can drag the captions, adjust the length, everything is customized. When you're done with your project, you hit export. It's right here. See where the name is very important. You stay organized, you select the folder, open, set the resolution and the frame rate according to the video you filmed, and you hit export. That's it. If you want to have a quick look at all the steps I showed you today, we prepared a file for you. Click the link in the description and go download it. Now that you've exported your video, you can upload it to your YouTube channel, social media, and make it known to the public.